What are you making?
I'm making something to have tea. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for you, but I have a mushroom in there. I have a mushroom in there.
What else can you put in your soup?
I don't know.
How about some eggs?
Oh.
Eden, can you say thank you, Mimi and Pop, for my new kitchen? Eden, can you say thank you?
Help me turn on red. Help me turn on red.
It might be too much. That's okay. You can just put it like that. You don't have to put the lid on. There you go. Hey, Munchkin, can you say thank you?
I'm going to put my...
We're very busy. Thank you, Mimi and Pop.